This is Surumagenga Show. I'm your host, Chris Ratewa, aka Surumagenga. Today we are in Chinoi University of Science and Technology branch, and we're so happy to have many visitors.
My name is Jacob Nasombe, and I'm going to be your host for this fashion show at Chinoi University of Technology.
Thank you very much. And as I was getting in this exhibition room, I was so touched by your design. Can you tell us what inspired your design?
Okay, first and foremost, my inspiration came from the Chinoi University of Technology logo. And having noted that there is a need in the institutions that you are currently having in Zimbabwe, there's a need for corporate work. If you can, as you can see in the country, the current universities do not have corporate work. There's no any identification that you can have for a university, especially for the lecturers. So I had to design the corporate way for the Chinoi University of Technology as an awareness to other institutions that are around the country.
So nice. So, will you please take us down how you're saying what you said this is a corporate market.
Yes.
So what are the elements you see in your design?
Right. The first thing that I did was I looked at the colors of the university. We've got our national university colors. That is the blue and gold. And also this logo, it is a molecule that you can. So I had to take into the consideration that they need to be seen, so that if you meet someone from Chinoi University of Technology, you should just tell by just seeing what he's wearing or what she's wearing. That's what I did. So I did the clothes for the ladies, and this one is an outfit for ladies. And
Okay. People like to know this pattern in about this movie. What is happening?
Okay, as you know, our university is all about technology. You see, so technology is all about the engineering and the so forth. See? So these ones they represent the engineering department. I'm not sure of the